for inbound. Ang crucial one. Wala na pong timeout ang San Miguel. Si Mose is going to the 3-point territory. 6 seconds to shoot. Kaya, still tumira ng 3 points. Oh my God! Titira yan! Patay! Si Mike Mustre ay scoring a 3-point shot! At 20-second timeout. Court of last resort para kay Coach Stanley Jaworski at Dr. J, basang-basa mo yung gustong gawin. Bakit ka pumunta sa 3-point shot? Pagod na players mo?
No, it's not that. You know, it's just, I have a feel, and I know what's gonna happen.
It's the other team who do not second timeout. Ito, tumatakbo na si Ron Jacobs, humingi ng technical because Gordos is taking too much time sa 20-second timeout.
That's true. She just called it. Blow the whistle, warning na ito. Pero nabira long pass. Ito, malayo pa ito.
Di na to ni Valdavid.
Yes! Valdavid! Oh no! Oh no! What a shot! Valdavid! That basketball! What?
At si Valdavid, nakukumpara na dito sa dami na nagkahagos sa kanya. And Ron Jacobs, lumapit sa kanyang conquerors.
Batuhat, look at this play. Panoorin mo ito, Chino. 3.8, maraming oras eh. Walang pumaul. Ang layo nito, Henry James Jr.
Ibang klase ito, nahawa na
Nahawa ka Henry James.
And Valdavid converts on that shot. Anong gagawin mo na sa tirang yan? Ito po ang bato. Ang half-court heave ni Valdavid which iced the ball game 83-81 sa pabor ng koponan ng Gordos Gin. What an ending. 83-81 the final score. What a ball game. Babalik po kami.
14 seconds. Mo Alvarez against De La Rosa. Bigay kay Gamboa. Gamboa against Jackson. The 4 running shot. Yes!
Shot! Big shot! Hindi pinalo mga taga Santa Lucia si Gamboa. At lamang ang San Miguel Beer ng dalawa.
Okay, meron po tayong timeouts. Lamang ang San Miguel ng 2 points at ito yung dahilan kung bakit lamang. Look at that J, running J by Gamboa.
Hindi kaganda foul ito pagkahawak pa lamang ng bola. Malinaw yung instructions mula sa baseline.
LG Audio Video Home Appliances.
And Redfield for the 3. Yes! What a big shot by Ken Redfield.
At ako,
Big shot.
naalala naman natin yung last year. Kenny Redfield with his 33-point shot. Lamang na sila ng isa.
Meron po tayong timeout. Points and look at this 3-point shot by Ken Redfield.
Obviously, nakaganda pa yung pagkabanggel nung play nila. Lumabas itong si Kenny Redfield and what a deadly shot from outside. Kailangan ng Santa Lucia yan. Pero ika nga, with 3.1, kailangan diretso sa basket na ito.
Anong inbound ni Dignadice? Napunta kay Alan Kaidik. Alan, pinasok si Alan Kaidik. And San Miguel is on top, 96-95.
May isa pang timeout ang Santa Lucia.
0.7 seconds of remaining. We have another timeout. We'll be back. Well, balikan natin na lang yung play, no? It was the inbound. Alan Kaidik tumanggap. He was not fouled by Romy De La Rosa.
Alam kasi ng San Miguel Randy na papaulin kung sino ang makahawak ng bola. Ay wisely ito si Alan Kaidik. The veteran that he is, pagkahawak, direct na kagad sa basket. Dahil alam niya, hindi siya papaulin kapag hindi out of shooting na siya.
It is the play. Redfield. And it's San Miguel here taking third place of this exciting Commissioner's Cup.
Talo dito. Lago escapes. Lago onwards. What a getaway.
Ako, ano pa hihingin natin kung excitement mo hinahanap ninyo?
Mga kaibigan, ito po ang bayan ng superstars. It has all boiled down. 5 seconds to shoot. Carriazo attacks. Carriazo misses. But the foul ay tatawag kay Lago, which will send Jeffrey Carriazo to the free throw line. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala. Meron pang isang timeout ng Ginebra at 2 free throws para kay Carriazo. So, may pag-asa pa. They will challenge Carriazo. Gano'ng katigas ang dibdib mo? Ipakita mo dito sa amin. That's a foul.
Ayun po ang tira ni Jeff Carriazo dito.
Pero parang
1 to tie, 2 to win. 2 seconds left. Kung 2 seconds left yan, kailangan tumaymount agad ang Barangay Ginebra.
tapang ni Jeffrey Carriazo.
May tinatanong po sila.
Teka, meron pumasok na ano yun? Technical? Meron silang clarification. Ano yung kinaklarify nila? Anyway, Lones from the free throw line. Only for the free throw shot. He responds to the pressure 1 point lead, Goods.
Ito, 2 seconds left. Timeout po ang Ginebra as expected. And what play will they set up?
Inbound ni Locsin. Kung makita, Valdavid has it. Valdavid spins, fires. Ano yan? Well, back down. Teka muna. Check muna natin kung counted ang tira, ha? Valdavid.
Oh, it will count. The referee said it will count. Yes, that's official.
And this is the biggest comeback of any team sa history nitong STB All-Filipino Cup. And it took the guts of Valdavid. Meron ba ligang ganito kaganda? Ito po ang kagandahan ng PBA. Ito po ang Philippine Basketball Association.
Inbound. Dorentes, yes!
Well, yung binabanggit natin, ginawa nilang kalakasan nila with Dorentes at the receiving end. Pasok yung 2 puntos.
At ang San Miguel Beer ang tatawag ng kanilang inning. Meneses, baksak si Pumaren, baksak din si Agustin. He gets up, pinipinasat. Nakuha ni Alvarez at may foul na tatawag kay Mar Morelos with 7.1 seconds remaining. At Jiffy, Bong Alvarez, second free throw. Yes!
Kailangan 3-point shot na ito. No other
Alright.
choice.
Victoria may dala ng bola. Naghahanap ng 3-point shooter. Meneses, tumira sa labas. Yes!
Makes it!
Oh my goodness! 3-point shot! 1.9 seconds, hindi pa tapos. Ang bato, naagaw ni Victoria. Dorentes puts it up. Almost! And what a ball game!
We're going to overtime. What a shot!
Oh my goodness. Kailangan mapanood natin yan.
Oo.
9 seconds. Alam mo ito yung ginawa niya nung championship nila.
Tama ka.
Ng Alaska.
Fully
Watch that.
covered by Dick Nadice.
Straight and through the aerial Voyagers,
All
sending
net.
it to overtime. Watch this again. You want money, man?
Well, kanina pa siya hinahanap at nag-deliver siya sa pinakamahalagang punto. Lumilipad. Kita nyo, yan din ang nararamdaman ng Sunkist.
5 more minutes to this. Iker Jimenez sinatrasan. Sarado. Asa kaya sa Itono. Pumasok sa loob. Soft shot. At tabla ulit tayo. 109 all. This is our 7th deadlock of the game.
Well, piece of trivia kasama yun. Ngayong taon, natalo sila sa kanilang only overtime game.
The Sunkist has a good history from the overtime period. Samantala si Kenneth Dorentes very confidently the ball game. Alan Kaydig, naatrasan na naman si Meneses. Kumagit na, kinaliwa, tabla na naman. 1-1-1. 1-1-1. At sabi ni Coach Pumaren, importante to. Po tayo tapos, mga kaibigan. So, keep it here on BTV, the Primetime Network. Last 22 seconds. Nasa Itono, naghahanap ng kakampi. Dikit na dikit si Meneses. Alan Kaydig pa rin. They've got 10. Kaydig pumasok sa loob. Maiksi. Tapikan. Kaydig pa rin ang nakakuha. One more time. Yes! Yes! May kasama pang foul. And what a call. What a shot. Si Kaydig naman ngayon ang may pagkakataon para sa isang 3-point play.
Well, wag natin kakalimutan yung natitirang oras. Kahit may free throw pa siya, kung may susunod pa ito ni Alan Kaydig, that will give them a 2-point lead. With 6.5, aba, kanina 3 points yung kalabangan sa kanila with
Yes,
7.
ngayon nabuhay ang laro niya. 35 puntos na po si Triggerman. And a very important 3-point play coming up. At nabuo niya. At yan na nga po, may timeout. Si Coach Derek Pumal, Filipino Conference. 6.5 seconds remaining. Meneses, tumira na naman ang 3. Wala this time. At si Pumaren will come out of it. Well, they wanted to get all the marbles with one shot. Ayaw na nila. Pero gallant stand para sa Sunkist Orange Juicers.
Definitely.
29 points down.